Hi guys, Kyung here, and oh my goodness, it's time to have a party. I've reached 1,000 subscribers, and I know I did that a while ago, but I've been preparing. It's been a week's worth of preparing for this big party. Yay! So we're gonna have a celebration. So first of all, I have some confetti, and you can't have a party without making a mess. You gotta make a mess. I say it's not a good party unless, you have a giant mess to clean up. So yay for confetti. And then, so there's that. Oh, okay. The next order of business is this. So I made an entire kit, okay, to give for free. Okay, so this will be given for free. For free! Yay, a whole free kit. And I've opened my coffee shop, so my Buy Me a Coffee shop, and I've included this kit in the coffee shop, and I've also included all the freebies, like all the free digitals I've ever made. I put that all into one kit as well, and there's 26 pages, and then this one is 10 pages. So there's like 30, yeah, 36 pages. I'm sorry. I can do math. I can count. I know. 36 pages for free on my Buy Me a Coffee. And so, yay. So I thought that would be a fun way to launch my coffee shop. And I'll have a link to that below. And then I will scroll through the digital kit as I talk about some other things going on. Okay, so here we go. And it's a whole pink kit, okay? And so each one of these pages, and I printed this on cardstock. It's not actually glittery. That's from the from our confetti. So first of all, a big thank you to everyone. It's been so amazing. I've had so much fun these past few months. I can't believe we've already hit 1,000. And then I can't believe it. On my Etsy shop, I actually just hit Star Seller too. So quite the February, huh? And so that's kind of why I went with pink, because, it's Valentine's Day, or, the month of love. And so there we go. We've got pink. A kind of a shabby chic. I love this page with the birds. And then, so I've also opened up my Amazon affiliate store. Okay. And I spent many, many hours there adding everything. I looked through all my craft supplies. And I'm pretty confident I have if it can be found on Amazon, it's there. Or I've tried to find also the closest equivalent to. So there's over 250 items on my Amazon shop. And it's so that way, if you want to buy supplies, okay, or if you're looking for something that I use specifically or whatever, you can go to my Amazon shop and you'll find it there. I also get a small commission if you use my link, so that's fun. And the reason why I added everything that I could is because I liked the idea of, if you need ideas, right? So if you need ideas on what you might need or what you want to try to use or whatever, it will be on that list, I guarantee you. So there's that, and I'll have links to everything down below. And then let's see, what else do I have going on? Oh, and then my sister made me a link tree so that all the links will be all on one all on one thing, and then it's easy to find everything. And that is that. So there's my digital kit. There's our confetti, right? So we've got the coffee shop, right? And it's got the free digital kits, right? We have the Amazon affiliate store, right? With over I added every single thing I have, right? And then, well, pretty much that you can find on Amazon anyway. Some things, I get vintage, or I buy, I find at the thrift store. I find a lot of things. So there's not books or anything too much on there. But, oh yes, one other thing. I'm going to offer a 15% off discount of my entire Etsy store for the next 2 weeks, okay? So, and then the code for that is just party1. Right? So, we'll just put party1. Right? So that is the code to get 15% off of everything in my Etsy shop for the next 2 weeks. And I also plan to be restocking it. I'm going to be restocking it periodically throughout over the next couple of days. So, and that's that. And again, I want to thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. First, a big thank you to my new subscribers. I think that that's so cool. Welcome, welcome. We have a lot of fun. My next big thank you is to Teri at Sweet Pea Papers. She was the one who convinced me and kind of, was like, oh, do videos anyway. And so, because, I wasn't sure about the whole thing. So, thank you, Teri. And then Miss Paintalot, a huge, she's like my biggest mentor and inspiration and everything. And so, and a dear friend. And so she's amazing. And thank you so much, Fiona. You're amazing. And then Julie over at Camelia Crafts. Oh my goodness. Again, a big inspiration and such an amazing lady. So with that being said, and everybody else, there's so many. I mean, so many names. I can't, we have Georgia, right? We have Pat, right? Auntie Teresa. Oh, Tommy at the Goth Crafter. She has a YouTube channel as well. I'll have all the links will be down in the description below. And that's it. I will see you on Friday with the next page by page. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.